Take a look at this Instagram model with 2.6 million followers. And this one has 294,000 followers. But did you know, this person actually doesn't exist in real life? This is an AI-generated model, created by someone who can possibly earn $1,000 per post. So in this video I'll show you how you can create your own realistic AI influencer in just 4 simple steps. So make sure you watch through it till the end. Andy, I'm your skill builder, and let's get started. Before we start, please note that this video's purpose is to show how easy it is to create an AI influencer. However, misusing this technique could get you into trouble, so use it wisely. Alright, now we are gonna create AI influencer using a tool called Fooocus. Fooocus is an AI image generation software, which is basically a mix of Stable Diffusion and Midjourney. And as a result, you can use it to generate AI images in very high quality. From creating realistic AI characters like these, upscaling an image, or swapping faces in any image you want. With this tool, you can easily generate any kind of image you want. Alright, there are these different ways in which you can access this tool. The first way is to install Fooocus locally on your computer. If you go to the GitHub page, you can see the minimum system requirements here to run Fooocus locally. You can check it out and see if your system meets these requirements. If it does, I provide a link in the description below, which will guide you to the installation process. Another way to use the software is still using Google Colabs. This method is also free, but you might have to face some runtime issues. I have provided the link for this tool, so if you're interested, you can go ahead and check it out. The last method is to use Fooocus and Grand Diffusion. Grand Diffusion is a cloud-based tool where Fooocus is already installed. You can just launch it and just use it. You can use it for free, but only for a short period of time. After that, you'll have to pay and use it. Okay, so compared to the previous 2 methods, using Grand Diffusion is more accessible and easier to use. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do it using Grand Diffusion. So to create a realistic AI influencer, we're gonna do 4 steps. The first step is to launch Fooocus on Diffusion. To do that, just click the link below this video. A little ticket to rundivision.com. On Diffusion, you will get a 30-minute free trial to use Fooocus. Once the free trial ends, you'll need to pay a minimum of $5, with which you will get 10 hours of access for the tool, which means 1 hour costs 50 cents. Also, if you want, you can use the 10 as in one go, or you can pause the timer and use it whenever you want. Alright, to get started, just click free trial and sign up with your Google account. Here, you can see we have got different tools to choose from, so let's go to Fooocus and click on Select. Then click Launch. Let's wait for it to launch, and it's done. Here you can see that the time has started running. But don't worry, you can pause it whenever you're not using a tool, just by clicking here OK. Once you reach this page, we can go to the next step, which is to generate the AI character. And once we have the AI character, we can use it to create a video like this. First, let's hide the sidebar by clicking here, so that we get more space to work with. Alright. But if you're an AI character, we need to describe a character, like how we want it to be, the clothing, the personality, height. You can even add minor details, like the color of the skin, hat, eyes, and so on. If you need help, we have a tool on Gravity Right that can generate the description for you. And trust me, the description that generates are really good. So just click the link through this video and it'll take you to this page. Now here, you need to enter the details of your AI character, like how you want it to be. Once you've entered that, click Create Content. And you can see that it has generated 3 different descriptions. You can go to them and copy the description you want. Then go back and paste it here. Now click Advanced. And you will get these settings. Under Performance tab, you will get these options to choose from. If you choose Speed or Extremely Speed, it will generate the image very fast, but the quality will be low. So I recommend you choose Quality, so that you will get the best possible AI characters. Then here, select the aspect ratio you want. I'm gonna choose 30 minutes to 19. And then drag the slider to choose the number of images you want. I'm gonna choose 4. Now scroll up and go to the Style tab. By default, these 3 options will be selected. We just include the focus photography option, which will give us more photorealistic images. If you want, you can try all these different styles and select which one you want, according to your preference. Once you're done, just click Generate. And this tool will start donating the AI images. You can see that it has generated an amazing AI character in for different styles. I can't believe it's so realistic, and the quality of the image is also very good, just like the one you like. And download it by clicking here. If you're not satisfied with the character, you can generate it again by clicking here, or even try out a different prompt. A quick note: when you create an AI influencer, keep in mind that you need to generate the same character again and again to maintain consistency in whatever you post. So choose the AI character that you want wisely. Okay, once you generate the AI character, let's go to the next step, which is to create different variations of our character. For example, we've got 𝗯𝗯𝗃 character in a park or a long ride. But what if, let's say, you want a character to be at a music festival or catching some waves at the beach? Well, guess what? With this tool you can do that as well. Not only the button of the AI character, but you can also change the type of dress, hairstyle, or anything else that you want. So to do that, let's go here and click the Import Image option. Then go to Image Prompt. And here you need to add the image of AI character. You can just drag and drop it from here. Then go to the bottom of the page. Click on Advanced checkbox. And then you will see these options below the image. Now let's choose the face swap option. After that, here, you can make changes to the description, like how you want the image to be. For example, I want the same image of this girl in a music festival, so I'm going to enter that here. Once you're done, click Generate. And you can see that it has generated the image exactly the way I wanted it. Amazing, right? In the same way, you can change the prompt however you want and generate different variations with the same character Holly. Here you can see that it has generated only the AI character and a very small portion of the background. So next, let's see how we can extend the image like this and get more of the background. So to do that, let's go to this tab. Then drag and drop the image you want to extend. Click on all these checkboxes to extend the image on all sides. And click Generate. Now it looks much better. Okay. Next, let's see another interesting feature, which is to generate the same AI character in different poses. Like this, all you need is a picture with a specific pose, and you can get your AI character generated in the exact same pose. If you don't have one, you can get many different photos from free stock websites like Pixels or on Splash. So let's go to Pixels.com, and here you can search for any image you want. I'm gonna search for portrait of a girl. And as you can see, we have got different images to choose from. Just select the image you want, download it by clicking here. Then go back to the step. Click Image Prompt. Then drag and drop the image which you just downloaded. Now select Pirate Kenny, which will lead the tool to copy this post from this image, and click Generate. And you can see that it has generated the AI character with the same post that we uploaded. Amazing, isn't it? If you look closely, it feels like the face of this image is not exactly matching AI character. So let's see how to fix that. Go to the In Paint Out Paint tab. Remove the all image. Drag and drop this image here. Then click on the brush icon. And you can adjust the size of the brush using this slider. Now draw a character's face like this. Click on drop down. Select Improve Detail. And click Generate. You can see that it has improved the face of the AI character, and it looks much better. Select the one that looks big and download it by clicking here. Not only this, in the same way, you call the picture of AI character's head or hands in case they don't look proper. Okay, this is how you can create different variations of your character, even with different poses. Next, we can go to the final step, which is to create a video of AI character like this. To create the video, we're gonna use a tool called Diffusion. To check it out, just open a new tab and search for Google Collab. Diffusion, then click this link. And it'll take you to this page. Here, click connect. After that, we need to run these 3 files. So let's go here. Click on the play button and click run anyway. And then do the same for these 2 files too. Once it's done, here you can see that we have got the link to access the Diffusion tool. Just click on it. And it'll take you to this page. Once you're in, just choose the Face Enhancer option from here. Then click here. And upload the image of the AI character you want in the video. Once you upload the image here, you need to upload the video in which you want to do the face swap. You can either use a video you already have or download and use free stock videos online. I'm gonna upload this video from my computer. And while uploading, make sure you never use anyone else's video without their consent, and it will definitely get you into trouble. Once you're done, just click start. And it'll start generating the output once it's ready. If we play it, you can see that it has such as, please swap the face. And we have got the video with the face of our AI character. It's so cool, right? If you like this output, you can download it by clicking here. Now that we have the video, you can go ahead and post it on Instagram or YouTube Reels, okay? So that's it, guys. This is how you can get a realistic AI influencer. Now, if you're into marketing, either have some cool AI tools that will make it work a whole lot easier. If you guys found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Skill Builders. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, God bless you.